Hi, my name is Janelle McClarty, the owner of EncoreWebsites.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to install Elementor Pro. So we're going to jump over to the back end of a WordPress website that I have. If you don't know how to log into the back end of WordPress, I will link a video on how to do that. We're going to hover down to the plugins area, which, as you see, I went to the left-hand side panel. We're going to click Add New at the top. We're going to click Upload Plugin. And actually, we're not going to click Upload Plugin yet. We're going to search for the Elementor regular plugin first. So, typed in Elementor, found Elementor Website Builder. We're going to install that. So, it's good to just install the regular version and a couple other versions of Elementor that allow you to customize whatever, let's say, design you're making. So I activated the Elementor website builder. I would typically add a couple add-ons, so Elementor add-ons as well. So this is the page it brings you to once you press activate. And then we're going to go back in to the plugins section again. Now we're going to click on add new plugin. So this is where we go and upload plugin. We choose the file, and you should have just downloaded Elementor first and purchased it. So the Pro version, when you purchase it, it comes in a zip folder. I saved my folder to my desktop. You click on that zip folder. You do not need to unzip it. And then you press install now. All right, so it says it's installed. Then you hit activate plugin. And then it says welcome to Elementor. Now you got to connect the activation of this plugin. So make sure you're logged into your Elementor account first, or if not, you can just log in here. If you're logged in first, it will automatically connect you, but here you go. So it says connect and activate your license. It recognizes your login credentials, and it recognizes that you just installed a fresh Elementor Pro installation, plugin installation. Then as long as you see that green status active message, that means you are good to go. We're going to go to our pages to check out how everything's set up. We're going to add a new page. Then we're going to exit that screen and click on Edit with Elementor. So now we see that Elementor is here. If we didn't install any of those Elementors, you wouldn't even see that button. All right, so here is the Elementor backend. You see all of these Pro widgets that are available. The top was some free widgets. We have more Pro widgets and essential add-ons. It just keeps going and going. So look at all these features and functions that you get. The plan that I got for Elementor, I think, is about $200 a year, and it comes with 1,000 licenses, so I can use this for up to 1,000 websites for the year. Yeah, let's test some widgets out. So here is the sliding header widget. So it's just sliders. You can add as many sliders as you want. There are a couple. There is a video widget. You can just input, let's say, YouTube videos that you have. Just put the link in and it will populate right there. Let's try another widget out. We have look at that portfolio widget. We have let's say, animated header widget right there. So many options. I think I'm looking for a text widget, so we can try out some text. So fancy text. So look, see, it's just populating some text in a fancy way. You can customize the way it showcases, change the colors, all of that. Okay, we're going to try this widget out. Okay, so we're going to try this widget out. This is a button, a call to action button. So you can put the text, okay, this is the action you want to take. You want to buy now, or you want to subscribe. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see some more videos that are like this, tutorials, things of that nature. Yeah, we can customize the color of the button. So we don't want that green. We want that, I guess, orange, yellow, whatever color you want. Okay. Yeah, there's so many custom features with Elementor. The world's basically your oyster, and it's drag and drop capability. So you don't really need to know how to code unless you're making customizations beyond the basics that I'm doing right now, which it does happen sometimes. So this is how it looks. Like what I just did right now just looks like this. It's just very simple and straightforward. But obviously I would typically start with a template. So see this template here? I would start with something like that, or even my own website is Elementor based, and I would customize and drag and rearrange and delete and all that as I go. So that is the end of this Elementor tutorial, Elementor Pro. It wasn't even a tutorial, it was just showing you, it wasn't a tutorial on Elementor, it was showing you how to install the Pro version. I will make a video on how to use Elementor more in-depthly. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.